like to, but I can't. Because I might be right when that's happening. I might be shifting or releasing my clutch, or I might be in the middle of a turn or something like that. I might be steering the bike. You can't always take your hands off the bar. You know, you might not be in a position to do that. So, you know, I don't know if that's the case or not. I know there's some of the unspoken stuff. Just some of the unspoken stuff like, you know, oh, well, you know, the Harley guys, they don't really wave at you if you're not on a Harley. And, you know, I don't know that to be true, and I don't know anything about that. You know, my thing is ride your ride, so I don't really subscribe to that mindset. If that's your mindset, you know, so be it. I'll live, but I don't really buy into all of that. I don't care what you're riding, as long as what you're riding is street legal. So I'm back to flying around my arm. See if he can keep up with the Goldwing. But yeah, you know, back to being street legal. You know, I don't give the acknowledgement of wave when I see guys on dirt bikes and quads riding around. And I guess I'm saying it today. I don't know if I'm going to get this guy on camera or not. But I've had this guy on a quad. He's gone by me a couple times today. He's gone by me a couple times today. And every time he goes by me, he kind of looks at me and gives me this dry little smile. It's almost like he's looking for my acknowledgement, and I'm not going to give it. Because in my mind, I'm like, get that thing off the street. point in time when I was 22 or 23 where I thought I was invincible. live for than just yourself. Then think about it. This is better. Let's park at the top of the hill. So, but yeah, you become more appreciative about life. I mean, when you become a parent, you know, and you're living for more than just you, you know, the natural progression is to stop doing stupid, silly stuff that can land you dead or in jail or otherwise indisposed and not there for your children. So for, you know, if you're 36 or 37 and you're riding quads and dirt bikes, listen, that's not the problem. You know, you want to go out off-roading somewhere and use them for their intended purpose, you know, as in anything else, ride safely, ride carefully, ride within the scope of your abilities. But to be riding through the streets, you know, and causing public nuisances, you know, when you're that old, you know, something's really wrong with you. So yeah, this is to that group on Facebook and everything else. You all grow up, for real, grow up, you know. And you know, if the police happen to apprehend you and press charges on you, I hope you receive the full the full extent of the law where that's concerned. I hope every bit of, you know, fine, I hope the fines are as high and as financially inconvenient for you as possible. And you know, if there's jail time involved, you know, it is what it is. So, you know, that's just my little rant on this particular group here in Pittsburgh who causes all this trouble, and they really kind of give the biking community a bad name. I'm out for now. You're Goldwingin with Derrick T.